Hi everyone and welcome in this new video. In this video, we are going to talk about set. A set in Python is another way to store different value in the same variable. The only very important property of a set is the following. If you create a set with one value multiple times in the set will keep only one times this value. So if you have this set, for example, it is exactly the same when we talk about set than this set, because 1 is 3 times, so we keep only 1 time. 3 is 3 times, so we keep only 1 time. And 9 is 3 times, so we keep only 1 time. So I don't use very often this property and this type of object. So I have imagined a little example to show you the power of the set. For example, if you have a list with different fields, for example, finance, statistics, and mathematics. So this data comes from, I don't know, the score of students to a certain fields. For example, the first student give her last score in the university, which is in finance. Another give its last score, which is in statistics, another in mathematics, etc. So if you have, for example, just for 9 students, a set of fields, it can be very difficult to extract the field from this data if you want only one time the name of a field. So you need to create a loop, etc. So if you want to do it very quickly, you just have to transform this list in a set to have each field only one time and to see the field only one time, because if you have 1,000 of students, it will be impossible to extract the field manually. So to do it, we use the set function and we just have to put the list inside, and we can see that we have 3 fields which are finance, mathematics, and statistics. We can also add a value in a set, for example, using the add function of the set. So it is very simple. So if I create a set, I print it, and to add a value, I use the function add, and I put in parameters the value that I want add in my set. So I can add 2 values, for example, and then I can print my set. So as we can see, it is a very interesting object, but personally I don't use very often for my project because it is not really necessary. But sometimes for specific task, it is very important at least to know that the set exists and to check on internet how to use it. But the really important thing is to know that the set exists and the property of the set.